Right, I'm just going to give you a little video walk round of this super Land Rover Defender Urban. It's the P400 Defender X, so very high spec with a panoramic glass electric sunroof. Santorini black. If you're watching this on YouTube, have a look at our website, justnicecars.co.uk, and then we've got the full description on there of all the features, all the photographs for you to look at. We've taken this in part exchange off a local couple. Super condition. Genuine urban with certificates. We'll show you all that in a second. So starting at the rear here, it does have an electric tow bar. I believe they are about £1,800 option when you buy these. This vehicle on the invoice which we have was just under £87,000 new from Urban. So the wheels, we've got 22-inch WX2 wheels with Yokohama Geolander tyres. So you've got the mud flaps, arch extensions, side steps, got all the right bits on. Got the orangey red calipers. Windscreen all good, no stone damage. It is in a lovely condition. 360 cameras, parking sensors front and rear. It's got heads-up display, it's got heated and cooling front seats and heated rear seats. So all the paperwork there from Urban. We've got the original handbook, got a certificate. The price new was $86,975. Service history there, 2 keys, and the specification list. Right, we'll go down this. Wheels, by the way, they're all in lovely conditions, no scrapes or anything on the wheels. As you can see, look, it looks really, really nice. Right, we'll open the rear up, show you in here. Black leather seats. We'll just stand back, give you a side view, and then we'll show you the interior. So the 3-litre petrol engine, 400 brake horsepower. Drive really well, these do. Illuminated kick strips, electric seats. Black headliner with the pan roof. Heads-up display. Mileage 38,661. Rubber over carpet mats. Really looks the part. So if you've got any questions, if you'd like to give us a call at the showroom, if you ask for Toby on this one, 0750 1000 730. If you've got a part exchange, or you'd like some finance quotations, whatever, give us a call. Come and have a look, come and have a drive. It's ready to go. Thank you very much for watching.